Do you also say that it's very good, it's very good, it's great, it's excellent? So stop using these overused ways to say that something is very, very good. Use this amazing British slang term instead. Ace, ace. For example, my new car is very, very good. My new car is ace. My new car is ace. She is a brilliant student. She is an ace student. She is an ace student. Lovely students, if you're interested in amazing British English, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon. See ya!